Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. There are no more 3 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. What happened just now? Shiba news right now. Shiba Inu's astonishing all-time high was more than a year ago. Yet despite Shiba Inu's declining performance, the token's whales are unfazed. One of the top Shib whales splashed a staggering sum to go earn 2.8 trillion worth of the token, demonstrating once more the proof of this unwavering dedication. The total is $26.12 billion. Based on the Otherscan transaction. We will discuss how 3 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have been used up while taking into account the Shib value in this video. What happened just now? Shiba news right now. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Notably, a whale has a reputation for capturing Shiba Inus in truly massive quantities. The whale gathered around $2.3 million worth of Shib between November 9th and November 10th, according to a thorough examination of the wallet. Shib demonstrated that it was still unsuitable after the operation. This was due to the memicon's limited ability to spare a recent spike of 1.57%. The moving average convergence divergence on the daily chart indicated that Shib might regain a long-lasting bullish strength. This was caused by the histogram's close proximity to the 12 to 26 exponential moving average. The strengths of both buyers and sellers, however, fell short of the midpoint. According to the chart, both were moving in the direction of the positive area, and a change to bullish control was possible, especially as the purchasing power began to outweigh the selling power. On balance, volume reading indicated proximity to the bullish area. Therefore, a continued ascent up the chart may indicate strong purchasing pressure. Shib had a significant decline in its on-chain state as a result of its exchange inflow. Exchange inflow initially increased to $223 billion on December 8th according to sentiment data. It had dropped to $25.16 billion as of December 9th. Shib investors' retracement after selling the token may have contributed to the decline, which indicated that there was less sell pressure. On the other side, the exchange outflow shrank to $17.74 billion. Since there was a drop, it was assumed that buying pressure was also not exponential. Shiba Inu is most likely to continue trending in the $0-$9 range. Undoubtedly, the Shiba Inu coin was greatly harmed by the now bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX. It is the 14th largest cryptocurrency with a market valuation of just over $5 billion. Shib is currently the second most well-liked meme coin. This year's crypto winter is being blamed on the defunct cryptocurrency exchange FTX. The Shiba Inu, despite being one among the best performers during the previous bull run, is struggling after losing around 90% of its all-time high price. The most active crypto community on Twitter, though, is still upbeat about the K9 coin's future. According to a blog article on the Changelay platform, experts believe that Shib prices might rise as high as 50 cents $48 and fall as low as $0.4183. Let's assume that the forecasted ROI for the aforementioned year is 322%, with the average price continuing at $0.4335. According to certain cryptocurrency specialists, the price of Shiba Inu coins may reach a new high in 2025. Telegram found. On the other hand, they are not optimistic about the token's price increasing in 2022, even though they anticipate burning plenty of them this year. They estimate that the pricing of Shib will range from $0.928 to $9.99. It was anticipated that the price would be around $0.01152. Elon Musk is apparently threatening to sue Twitter employees who are involved in disclosing proprietary information about the company in yet another surprising move. He issued a caution against providing the media with specific information in an email to the Twitter team. Musk is also asking the staff to sign a pledge to attest to their understanding of the conditions. Such actions, according to him, might be in violation of the non-disclosure contract that new Twitter workers signed. According to reports, the Tesla CEO referenced going against the interests of the business. He said in his email that numerous instances of specific thefts of private Twitter data were ample proof of platformer journalist Zoe Schaefer claims that Musk issued a stern warning about media leaks. Musk has cut the company's personnel by thousands, prompting the warning. Additionally, he established a number of guidelines for staff performance. Musk allegedly gave Twitter staff a deadline of 5 p.m. in response. Saturday evening was the time to reply to his email. The billionaires recently stated that a prospective interest rate increase at the following Fed meeting would only increase the likelihood of a recession. The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, slated for December 13th and 14th, will be the final policy meeting of 2022. Musk's statement comes after he recently predicted that the recession would last until 2024. The Shib Metaverse development team revealed a first look at WAGMI yesterday. All of us are going to survive. The first hub of a series, Tempo in August, WAGMI Temple's conceptual art and sources of inspiration were made public. The Shiba Inu Metaverse will soon give the Shib Army the chance to experience what it's like to be inside. The tweet from the team's official account reads, "We did want to go back to WAGMI Temple and give everyone a first look at the hub within the world. We appreciate you joining us around the holiday fireside." The responses have been nothing short of amazing. Rio Plaza couldn't be shown off, but we still wanted to return to WAGMI Temple and give everyone their first glimpse of the hub within the world. Merry Christmas. The tranquil lake, lovely garden, and pink lotus flowers exemplify the essence of the WAGMI Temple, which is influenced by Asian philosophy. Additionally, the Silver Furland giveaway in the metaverse maintained a cozy winter fireside chat on Shiba Inu Discord. Last but not least, the development team gave a rundown of all the conceptual imagery revealed in 2018, revealed specifics regarding plans for 2023, and wished everyone a nice holiday season. There will be a fireside chat tonight. Who will go? For the hashtag Shib Army, surprises and giveaways add to the festive pleasure. I'm hoping to see everyone there. In reality, stay home. If you don't, I have a better chance of winning. At Shib the MV, I want to win some land. Many cryptocurrency fans on Twitter praised the choice to build the forthcoming Shib Metaverse with the Unreal 5.1 engine. Thanks to the Shib Army as well as Brandy Kono of the Shib Metaverse team for the warm greeting. The Shib Metaverse post-production manager says, "I'm extremely thankful to the hashtag Shib Army for welcoming me when I joined the Shib Metaverse crew this year." Brandy Kanapasek, a former executive at Disney and Marvel, Sherry Kuno, a producer of iPhone games, and Marcy Jastro, a metaverse advisor, were all joined to the team this year. The latter recently returned from Miami Beach, where Shib reported on the Web3 project's advancement and mentioned that the Shib developers are currently concentrating on Dynamics. A cryptocurrency named Shiba Inu was developed using the Ethereum blockchain system. It was created as a parity currency to compete with Deutsche Coin, similar to other digital currencies. Due to this, it has grown in popularity among cryptocurrency dealers and is currently used at a number of locations in place of Deutsche Coin. Shiba Inu tokens are now in circulation in an amount of 1 quadrillion. The limited supply of this resource, however, may cause volatility in the future. However, this is a sizable sum that can support a number of investors. Shiba Inu managed to overtake rival Deutsche Coin to claim the second place as the week's most popular cryptocurrency on the site, according to Webull, a New York-based zero-commission trading platform. Bitcoin was ranked as the third most popular cryptocurrency. This development follows other significant ones that have recently taken place in the Shiba Inu environment, particularly with regard to mainstream adoption. As previously reported by the Crypto Basic, the exclusive automotive group, a luxury vehicle business based in Virginia, has partnered with BitPay to make it easier for its customers to acquire new or used Aston Martin, Bentley, and Koenigsberg hypercars using Shiba Inu. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.